Today, we'll be looking at the Hydra, specifically focusing on the way it moves, catches, and takes in its food, which in this case is Daphnia. Let's start by looking at a prepared slide of Hydra to examine its cross-section. Here is the gastrovascular cavity, the gastrodermis, the mesoglia, and the epidermis. The body cavity of the Hydra is also known as the gastrovascular cavity. This inner cavity is lined by the endoderm and provides an opening to the Hydra's gut. This lining also releases enzymes to aid the Hydra in the digestion of food. Now let's take a look at the live specimen. The Hydra is radially symmetric. This means that it can be divided into similar halves at any plane that goes through its main axes. It's seen here through its cylindrical body shape and stinging tentacles that protrude from the sides of its mouth. Regarding movement, Hydra usually move when searching for food, and do so by looping or somersaulting. Usually, this is done by attaching their tentacles and then mouth to a substrate, usually their food, and readjusting themselves accordingly. Cnidocyte cells are also helpful to Hydra because they are connected by a simple nervous system to photoreceptive cells. This allows Hydra to sense environmental factors like light, which further benefits them in the searching of food. Now we will watch our Hydra attempt to catch and consume a Daphnia. Wait, did you see that? Let's rewind that back. The Daphnia is being pursued by another Hydra. It appears that the Daphnia is still alive and trying to resist the attack of the two Hydra. Another characteristic that aids Hydra's catching of food is the presence of nematocytes in their cnidocyte cells found in their tentacles. These harpoon-like stinging nematocytes are released to capture the Daphnia and paralyze it. The Hydra then takes the Daphnia into its gastrovascular cavity and digests it. And on that note, here's a fun fact about Hydra. They most often reproduce by asexual reproduction and budding off a parent Hydra. Meanwhile, other facts significant to the understanding of Hydra are where it falls in the several major branch points in the evolution of animal lineage. For example, did you know that Hydra are parazoas and acoelomates? And not just that, but there are also neither protozoans nor deuterozomes and lack a notochord. Pretty different from you and me. And to conclude our documentary, it appears that the Daphnia has managed to break free from the grasp of the Hydra. Better luck next time.